Hey guys, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Are you popping? I know you're popping. I am popping. I am slaying and nobody can tell me nothing. Like, look at me. Look at your girl. Like, look at this beautiful wig. This wig is from myfirstwig.com. Just like the name says, yeah? When you buy wig from Myfirstwig, you don't need to do nothing. Like, I didn't pluck this wig. I didn't bleach this wig. Your wig will come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything ready with the elastic band, everything you need. This is why it's called Myfirstwig, okay? Because when you buy your first wig, you don't know anything about wigs. So they literally do everything for you, okay? All you need to do is to cut the lace and do what? And glue your wig on. And you don't even need to glue your wig. You can wear it what? Glueless, okay? Now look at this beautiful wig. Okay, I forgot to tell you about this. Myfirstwig.com, yeah? The texture of their hair is always beautiful. Always, always beautiful. You guys know I've been working with Myfirstwig.com. This is not my first time. Their wig is always beautiful. The only thing is, I think I should have got a bigger wig, okay? Just a bigger size, like one size up, just so it comes a little bit towards here, okay? But other than that, I love the wig. It's so beautiful. It's summer and you need a short wig, so this is why I'm bringing short wig to you guys, because with this wig you don't need to worry about the heat, because this wig is so easy peasy, short, effortless, can wear it anywhere, easy to wear, easy to maintain. Link to my first wig is gonna be under this video, okay? If you want to buy my first wig, all you need to do is click under this video and you get your own, okay? And you're gonna be popping. We are gonna be popping. Like, okay, you guys, also let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if I'm popping in the comment section. You guys always let me know, always comment, just so I can bring to you guys more beautiful wigs, okay? So I can be showing you guys different texture, different look, okay? You guys show me some love and show myfirstwig.com some love as well, okay? Check their website if you want to see how I installed this wig, how I got this wig, how this wig came, okay, from the pack. Keep watching. guys, that's the finished look. I am slaying, I am popping, I am looking cute. Please tell me in the comment section if you think I'm popping. Please tell me, okay? Please let me know if I'm popping. Okay guys, I love the color. Like the color is something, like it has this highlights and low lights, okay, browns and some shades of blacks, you know, highlight, low lights, beautiful color, okay? So beautiful. Bye guys. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Why are you watching and you're not subscribing, you're not liking, you're not commenting? Why? I love you guys. Bye.